Let's say you have the problem 5 and 1/4 minus 2 and 7/8. The first thing that you want to do when subtracting fractions is to find a common denominator. I know the common denominator between 4 and 8 is 8. I'm going to rename or rewrite my mixed number as 5, but instead of 1/4 I'm going to have a denominator of 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Whatever I do to the denominator, I want to do to the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. I do not need to change the second mixed number because it already has the denominator of 8, so I'm just going to copy it down. The problem that I have here is that this bottom numerator is bigger than the top numerator. I cannot take 7 away from 2. So what I want to do is rename this first mixed number so that I have a larger numerator that I can subtract 7 from. Here's how I do that. I borrow 1 from the 5, making the whole number of 4. That 1 that I borrowed is the same thing as 8 over 8. So all I'm going to do is copy down my original fraction, 2/8, and I'm going to add 8 over 8. This makes 4 and 10/8. This is the same value as 5 and 2/8, it just looks a little bit different. The last step that I want to do before I can solve is copy the bottom mixed number, 2 and 7/8. I still do not have to do anything to it. At this point, I can now subtract 2 from 4, or 4 minus 2, which is 2. I can subtract my numerators, 10 minus 7 is 3, and my denominator stays the same as 8. 3/8 cannot be reduced, so my final answer is 2 and 3/8.